What's going on, people? How are we all doing? It is a scorcher again. It's a little bit different for me because I landed back from Ireland today. My wife's Irish. We go there as much as possible, but we haven't actually been in a couple of years. And it has rained and been like under 20 degrees for the last 4 days, which has actually been quite nice, to be fair. And I've been hearing you guys been having it like Barbados, but anyways, unfortunately, the job I was meant to film for this just before I left on Friday, they cancelled the day before. Well, they didn't cancel, they postponed it, which left me with no time to get anything, put anything together, and so there's no video. But yeah, just a quick in and out from me today. Ireland was really fun for anyone who's interested. We go to Westport, which is right over as far west as you can go, County Mayo. They won the Irish Cup, Sam Murphy Cup maybe, and we didn't realise, and that was the day that we went, and it was mad. The celebrations were crazy, nothing like I've ever seen before. In the stadium, they had like over 50,000 people in there, and then the towns, like everyone was beeping all throughout the night. All day, all night, everyone's in their shirts. There's green and red everywhere because that's their colours. I've even got a massive flag to go here. It was a nice experience. We were actually staying, our Airbnb was literally right in front of the stadium gates. So like the team bus pulled up with their big cup and pulled up, literally like a metre or 2 meters away from us. So it was a bit of a struggle because that meant that day we couldn't actually move our car, and everything is far to walk. Like the nearest shops are like half hour, 25-minute walk away. So we couldn't move our car, so that was like stressful. But at the same time, it's really nice to be there and be part of everything. And just see like their whole community spirit, whole community vibe. So that was really fun. We love it there. It's like home away from home. Arguably better than home. There's lots of things that's so much better. The meat is so much better there. Just the food in general feels a lot more fresh. The chocolate, the bakery. There's a place we go to called Super Value in Westport. So anyone who knows the area, you will know what I'm talking about. Their bakery is incredible. I find there's like more selection. Maybe it's just that it's different things, but there seems to be more selection than here, which you would never think considering I'm in London. And much more selection, but it's not cheap over there at all. I find everything super expensive. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun to see family and whatnot. And fun to catch up there. Really fun to be part of the like Mayo celebrations. So shout out County Mayo. What else is there that's been going on in life? Got that job coming up. That is a rewire or wiring of an underfloor heating smart system. That's going to be with EPH controls. So that should hopefully be quite an interesting one. If anyone's interested in that kind of stuff, that should be going out next Wednesday. And what else have we got coming up? We've got some bits with Fernox coming up. I've also got a few fresh breakdowns, a couple that kind of faults I've not really come across before. So again, that should be fun to navigate them. One's on a backseat, I think an E168, if I can get that filmed. Don't think I've ever had that before. You don't really get many backseats down here at all. I find boilers very regional. It seems like up north is very much ideal backseat territory. Down south we're very much Worcester Valent territory. I've got one backseat on my books. No, 2. Got a few more Pottertons, to be fair. Maybe like 3 or 4. But yeah, not a huge amount at all. And definitely not of the new ones. I don't think I've ever even opened up a backseat 600 or 800. Now I do have, is that a backseat or is that an Ideal Vogue? No, that's an Ideal Vogue. I don't know why I confuse the two. But yeah, I've got, not a single back seat. I installed a little 200. They're so light. Heat only. I thought the box was empty. No joke. When I picked it up, I genuinely opened it to double check. But yeah, that's it. Not a lot else going on. Obviously, this weather is weathering, and we need it to cool down and get freezing. And not rain. I don't like rain, but we need it to get freezing. And yeah, don't forget the usual: like, subscribe, comment, share. Appreciate you watching this if you got to the end, and there will definitely be jobs next week. So yeah, it's just logistically, everything caught up on me, and then that job postponed. So yeah, see you next week. Don't forget to hype, and yeah, bye.